Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the watch for shutdown. Check battery is at least 10% so it won't immediately restart, and close active apps to prevent background activity. Once done, find the primary power button or crown. Some models use a side button plus a long press. Press and hold the correct button for the manufacturer-specified time, usually 3-5 seconds, to open the power menu. I'm telling you why. This sequence ensures the OS can flush data and avoid corruption during power off. Once the power menu appears, you choose power off or slide to power off. This explicit command tells the watch to close processes gracefully. If it asks for confirmation, tap or press as required. Newer watches may require your PIN to prevent accidental shutdowns. Make sure to follow any on-screen combos for dual-button models. You do this because a proper shutdown ensures file systems are synced and paired connections release cleanly, so reconnecting later is faster and less error-prone. After confirming, wait until the screen goes black or shows a logo. Avoid pressing buttons during this finalization so the firmware can finish shutdown tasks. If the watch freezes or fails to power off, perform a force restart by holding the power button for 10-15 seconds. That resets the hardware without data loss in most cases. If it remains unresponsive, place it on charge for 15-30 minutes and retry the shutdown sequence, because low power can block normal shutdown procedures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.